In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping in WooCommerce. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or looking to refine your shipping process, understanding how WooCommerce handles shipping is essential. Let's dive straight in and step through the process together. First, we'll need to ensure that shipping is enabled within WooCommerce. To begin with, navigate to WooCommerce, then click on Settings, and from there, go to the General tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Shipping Locations, which allows you to specify where you want to ship your products. After this, switch over to the Shipping tab. If shipping isn't enabled, you won't see any shipping zones or methods available, so make sure to turn this feature on. Enabling shipping is crucial because without it, your customers won't have shipping options during checkout, which can be a major deterrent. Now that we've got shipping enabled, let's move on to setting up shipping zones. Shipping zones are a powerful feature in WooCommerce that allow you to specify particular geographic areas for shipping, triggering specific methods and rates based on the customer's address. To set this up, again navigate to WooCommerce, head to Settings, then Shipping, and finally choose Shipping Zones. Here, you'll have the opportunity to add a new zone by clicking on the Add Zone button. This is where you can get really specific about who gets what shipping options and rates. When setting up a zone, you'll need to provide a zone name. This could be something like California, or a broader term such as Domestic US if you're servicing a wider range. You'll also need to specify the geographical regions that your zone will cover. WooCommerce allows you to select by country, state, or even multiple regions, giving you a lot of flexibility in tailoring your shipping methods. If needed, you can also limit this to certain zip or postcodes, using wildcards or ranges to really fine-tune your shipping areas. Once you've entered all the necessary information for your zone, make sure to save it. WooCommerce automatically creates a default Rest of the World zone for any addresses that don't match your defined zones. This ensures that no matter where a customer is located, they can view and select applicable shipping options, which can be a lifesaver for businesses with international reach. And there you have it. You've successfully set up shipping in WooCommerce. By following these steps, you're on your way to providing clear and flexible shipping options to your customers, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially increasing your conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more WooCommerce tips and tutorials.